help produce hungry students to get enough nutrition to grow up and healthy and strong. Thank you.
What's your name? My name is Eden Ramira and you can call me Nina. What do you think about program MBG? I think this program for the government is so important for the student is a medal country because the nutrition high and the student is a medal country cannot buy anything else in the country.